It's time to explore one of San Francisco's best hotel in-room Whirlpool suites. We stayed a night at the Argonaut Hotel, so let's show you what it's like. The Argonaut is an old fruit and vegetable warehouse magnificently restored into a nautical-themed boutique hotel. Maureen and I booked a night in their Bayview one-bedroom suite, and when we walked inside, we couldn't believe how large it was. As you can see, the jetted spa tub is big enough for 2 people, and it's easily one of the deepest Whirlpool tubs I've ever seen in San Francisco or in any hotel room. It's located in the master bath, where there's also a separate shower and toilet room. The taps and jets work perfectly, and soaking in this tub is an amazing experience. You can book this spa tub suite anytime by clicking the link in the top right of the screen. Included is a complimentary basket full of goodies like bath bombs and facial masks. The Argonaut also gives you nice thick robes for use before and after your tub time. The unit also includes a couch, dining room table, and king-size bed. The downstairs lobby is a great spot to gather, with wine tasting, dining, and seating by the fireplace. The hotel is located on the western edge of Fisherman's Wharf, and so as you might expect, there's shopping, tours, and restaurants galore, all within walking distance of the front door. We felt very safe exploring the area around the hotel. There is a little bit of noise in the units that face Hyde Street, but that's to be expected in a hotel like this in such a popular tourist spot. The distance to the waterfront is a quick 1-minute walk. If you're looking for a romantic spa tub suite for your next getaway or honeymoon in San Francisco, we highly recommend the Argonaut. Thanks for touring this hotel with us here on ExcellentRomanticVacations.com.